Breaking news. May judges not destroy Nigeria. SANS reacts to judgment on Electoral Act by Abia Court. Hello, my wonderful people. In case you are not aware, the Attorney General of the Federation has gone to High Court in Abia State to say that, and the court has said that the Attorney General, Bubakar Malami, can go ahead and expunge the very place he wants out of the Electoral Act if the National Assembly refuse to amend it. He should amend it himself. It's against judgment. It is none and void. It not even makes sense. Now, SANS, that is Senior Advocates of Nigeria, are coming together to say judges are the ones destroying this very country. Some has been paid, some has been given different things, or promised some other things, and they've been made to do biddings of some selfish politicians. And today, they are the very ones, calling the dictates of what happened, even though they know it's wrong. They don't care. Okay, they don't care and they are ready to do anything to destroy this nation even further. Sons are saying these judges will destroy the country called Nigeria. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless you. May judges not destroy Nigeria. Sons react to judgment on Electoral Act by Abia Court. Ebonyoluwa San has disagreed with a recent federal High Court judgment in Abia State, which has ordered the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami to delete Section 84, subsection 12 of the Electoral Act 2022. He urged the National Assembly and other stakeholders to quickly appeal the decision so as to save the country democracy and the institution of our democracy. Some selfish politicians have prevailed on judge on some judges to do their bidding in order for them to get what they want. These are the very people directing and shifting the nation's both constitution and the electoral act to suit them the way they want. And if it does not come that way, then they go to judges and make them do their biddings. These judges are destroying the very essence of this nation. He therefore asks that the National Assembly quickly appeal the decision and save Nigerians' democracy. The Whistler earlier reported that Justice Evelyn had on Friday decided set the section which bar political appointees from voting or being voted for runs contrary to the 1999 Constitution. The court consequently ordered AGF to delete the section. Reacting to the development, Abubakar Malami's son has issued a statement describing the court order as a win-win for appointees, not for the country or for appointees, adding that the verdict will be carried out immediately. The provision of Section 84, subsection 12 of the Electoral Act 2022 is not part of our law and will not be will not be treated accordingly. This is in line with the dictate of section of chapter 7, paragraph 4, subsection 287 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. The enforcement of decision that makes it a point of duty and obligation to all authorities and persons to have judgment of the Federal High Court, among others, to be enforced, the AGF have said in a statement. So, my people, judges are rising up to say the decision of the High Court was not in line with democracy. It was wrong and would not be respected or adhered to and must be immediately looked at so that our democracy is not destroyed. In case you are not aware, Abubakar Malami has taken Nigerian government to the National Assembly to court. He's taken the National Assembly to court and has said that the National Assembly, that's Abubakar Malami's son, before Buhari came back yesterday from his medical trip, has taken the taking National Assembly to court, that Buhari requested that they should expunge that part. They unanimously said no, it cannot be expunged. So he took them to court, and the court in Abia State, Judge Evelyn, has said yes, they should go ahead and expunge that part. So Nigerians are wondering, okay, everybody's wondering, is this democracy? Or because Abubakar Malami and the rest of them are particularly very happy that the judgment has fit them, the judgment has suited them well, and they are quite happy with the judgment so far. They are very happy with how the judgment has gone, that it was against them contesting. My dear, that paragraph that they want expunged says anyone who is already politically appointed, if you want to contest in any position, resign your office. They say no, they want to eat their cake and still have it in their hand. That is the bowl of contention. And guess what? They've had their way. They did not do it in Abuja. They went to look for a judge in Abia State, okay? And the judge has given them their desire. And Abubakar Malabi quickly made a statement and said, we implement we will implement it immediately. Immediately. So these are some of the things going on. Welcome to Nigeria, where some persons, individuals, have become the new lord, dictating what the constitution is and what is not. They are the one that call the show. They are the one that dictate and decide what happens. So if you are not careful, you make a lot of mistakes with what is going on currently in Nigeria. If you are not careful, you make a lot of mistakes. And the truth of the matter is, there is serious need for us to come out of all these deceits and lies. There are so many deceits and lies governing and covering us as a nation. And so if we want something different, if we want to change, and if we want true reflection of what will make us, a people and with a difference, they're asking the National Assembly to immediately appeal that decision. But for crying out loud, nobody's supposed to be interfering with the other person. Okay, there are different arms of government and everybody should respect the other person's jurisdiction. But guess what? Abubakar Malami, these are the new cabal, in case you're not aware. It's the cabal. They are the ones dictating. They are the ones ruling the nation. There's no Buhari. Buhari talk less. He doesn't talk. So these are the people who calls the shots, who dictates the shots. And then when it suits them, then things are going well. When it does not suit them, then there's fire on the mountain. Okay, so that's Nigeria for you. In case you are wondering, that's Nigeria for you. So you see, judges are the ones rising up now to say, no, this is wrong. These judges, they'll be the one to destroy the nation. They will be the one to destroy the nation. We cannot allow it. We can't allow this wickedness going on. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Bye for now.